Hola amigos! It's almost Christmas and I thought it would be the perfect time to make a side dish that is always present on the Christmas table because it's a great accompaniment to turkey or ham. It's known as Arroz Arabe or Arabian rice. It's a very peculiar dish. It's actually cooked in Coca Cola. It has crunchy angel hair pasta, sweet sultanas, and nutty pecans. So, let's get started. Heat the vegetable oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Saute the garlic for 1 minute. Add the rice and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Once the grains are coated, stir in the salt and raisins. Now it's time to add the Coke. Dark cola is a must if you want to give this dish a tanned color and a hint of sweetness. The sugar in the cola is very subtle in the end result. Bring to a boil. Put the lid on, lower the heat to the minimum and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is tender. While the rice is cooking, toast the angel hair pasta on medium-low with some oil. They tend to burn quite easily, so keep a close eye. Then toast and chop the pecans. You can also use almonds in this recipe. Okay, all the water has evaporated from the rice. Add the butter and fluff it up with a fork now before it cools down, so the grains don't stick together. Place the noodles on a serving platter and add the rice. Then top with your toasted pecans. Let it sit for around 5 minutes so the heat from the rice softens the noodles a bit. Now give it a nice stir and it's ready to serve. Top with more pecans and a rosemary sprig. This takes me straight to Christmas back home. There's a bit of sweetness coming through the Coke and the sultanas, and you've got those delicious crunchy noodles and the nuttiness from the pecans coming through. The flavors of Christmas. I hope you get to make it for your Christmas lunch or dinner. It's a simple recipe with few ingredients, but with a very special flavor. Thanks so much for watching. See you all next week. Adios, amigos!